This one is special because we've not even used a stencil on this. This is completely freehand by all our artisans. So complete talent in showcase. Let's see. Okay, here's the first look. Has our logo. Has this. That's the one. How beautiful is it? I love it. So beautiful. It's a pink glaze and white parijat with the saffron dots on it. So this is the bowl. It's a 7-inch bowl, and it comes with a plate and a mug. On to opening the mug, let's do some tug of war. It has our logo. How beautiful! I think it's going to be my go-to breakfast set for all my everyday meals. It's special, it's beautiful, it has a story. Now on to the last product, which is a plate. So this time we've done a different plate altogether. We've it's a slightly larger plate, so it's an 8.5-inch sort of plate. It's organic in its shape, and I think it's going to make a beautiful set altogether. The logo, and are you ready for the reveal? Oh my god, this looks really beautiful. I love it. What do you think? Let me know, and go explore and shop it on nurtureindia.in. See you. Showing it to you. Okay, now once again, okay, so the recap is a plate which is about 8 inches. It comes with a beautiful mug which is also ergonomic in design, and it comes with a bowl which is about 7 inches and perfect for pasta, smoothies and all of those things together. This is the set, and I think it is so lovely. This is the set in its entirety. I absolutely love it. I hope you do too. Check it out on nurtureindia.in. This is the set in its entirety. I absolutely love it. Check it out on nurtureindia.in, and happy shopping.